Hello guys, today we will discuss PCA for image compression. So first we discuss how PCA works. So PCA is a dimension directionality method that is often used to reduce the dimension of a variable of a large dataset that is compressed to the smaller one, which contain most of the information to build an efficient model. In real-time scenario, when you are working reducing the number of variables in the dataset, you need compromise on model accuracy, but using PCA will give good accuracy. The idea of PCA is to reduce the variable in dataset and preserve data as much as possible. So here we discuss how we can compress an image using PCA. So the image is combination of pixel in rows placed one after another to form one single image. Each pixel value represents the intensity value of the image. So if you have multiple images, we can form a matrix considering a row of pixel as a vector. It requires huge amount of storage while working with many images. Where we using PCA is to compress it and preserve the data as much as possible. So in this function, what we are doing, we are trying to find out in file which image type like JPEG, JPG or PNG in a folder which contain different files also like Excel, PPT or some other document. So we will find out that file, and then what we will do, will compress it. So for compression, we first broke image into three parts: RGB, R for red, G for green, and B for blue. So after which we will compress that image with maximum efficiency. So then we will ask after the completion of the process whether we want to delete this image, the original image, or not. So let's see how it's run. Now let's run this function and see what happens. Now this function is processing the image. We are waiting for the result. Now he is asking, do you want to delete all original files? If you say yes, it will delete all the original files. So but I will not delete the file. I will say no. Sorry, not here, but on the console. No. So it's okay. So now after running the program, let's check the target folder, which is this JS desktop new folder, which we given here, DR2. This is our target folder. So let's see if there is an image here or not. So here is this image which we were asked for compression. So here we can see this is the image, it got compressed. So this is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.